Ms. Ritika. Welcome to Engineering Excellence Conclave. We have a few questions for you, shall we?
Sure.
Yes. So, how should engineering curricula evolve to tackle climate tech challenges head on?
Thank you for the question, and that's a wonderful question because climate is no longer a challenge. I would say it's a matter of survival for the whole human community. So, engineering curricula, in order to handle this challenge, I think engineering curricula should have more hands-on experience with current technologies. Like there can be IoT based solutions, there can be AI based solutions, there can be cloud based solutions. All these technologies have to come together and make a viable solution to all our I would say the real causes of this climate change. So the engineering curricula should stress on teaching students skills, experiential learning on all these technologies so they can actually build up solutions to the problem of the climate change.
Well said. What does self-reliance look like for engineering education in a world increasingly dominated by global AI agents, as per you?
See, again, when I talk of self-reliance for engineering colleges as well as their students, students are, I would say, the branding of the college. They are the people who are going to take the college places. So in this case, again, self-branding, self-reliance for such engineering colleges is making their students do experiential learning, working on real life problems to generate potential, I would say, intellectual property based solutions, which can actually help the community. I would say local community and first, and then the global community.
Okay, one last question for you. Do you think engineering graduates are being adequately prepared to work on climate resilient infrastructure or sustainable solutions?
See, again, talking about in a big country like India, I would say all engineering graduates, no, they are not being prepared at the same level. But yes, wherever all the technology is available, wherever proper motivation and skills are available, the engineering graduates are being motivated in the right direction. But yes, we need to put in global efforts. I would say we need to put in collaborative efforts among the central, state, as well as the regional universities in order to bring about this change at all levels across all institutions.